Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Parti wallet address on Binance. As you know, Particle network just get list on Binance, and this is the charge. And if you want to transfer your Parti to your Binance account, it's very simple. You can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see there is deposit option. You can click it, and now you can search Parti here. Click this one, and then you have to choose the network. Make sure it's the right network. I will choose BNB Smart Chain, and that's it. This is your wallet address. You can copy it or you can scan it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.